Hey man, are those your dogs?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Leroy, Oyster, and Top Gun.
Oh, Top Gun, named after the movie Top Gun.
Yeah.
Did you know with Top Gun, the movie Top Gun, they actually, was for some of the scenes they actually had like flew real planes.
Watch this, dude. They think these things float. What's this?
Those dogs are so dumb.
Leroy!
Shut up!
Leroy!
There's something I actually have to tell you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm you, but from the past, the younger version of you.
I knew I recognized that hat.
Come over here. Let's come over here and give me a hug.
All right.
Yeah.